Kuya Michael ngayong hapon. Alright now, mga others natin, mga kuyas at ates natin na nasa harap, lapitan natin si Kuya Michael. Bibigyan kayo ni Kuya Michael ng sunflower seeds. In short, i-eat natin si Barak. Don't you worry, don't be scared. Barak won't bite you naman. Just open your hand lang po. And be gentle sa pagbigay ng seeds sa kanya, ha? Okay, huwag mo lang ipin si Barak, ha? Okay, ayan, i-eat lang natin, alright? Pero guys, limit lang po yan, ha? Sa mga hindi mabigyan ng seeds, you'll be having your own happy hour animal ambassadors po pagkatapos sa show. Okay? Ayan, limit lang po yan. Alright, ayan. Kung madami si Kuya Michael, pwede naman. At kung baka okay na. Okay, later on na lang, ha? Maraming salamat sa inyo mga windows. Okay, once again folks, this is Barak, our beautiful Macau. We decided to pick them up. Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like most parents guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan ni Barak using a little bit of footwear called Kadang. Alright, na Barak, 4, 5, 7. In Marcha, yan is zygodactyl feet in action po. To the front, to the back, allowing them to refine things so much in boy. Left, right, and bump, good boy. Parang ko yan, dahil daw dyan boy. Oh, may pa-high-five tayo na Kuya Michael, high-five. Isa pa Kuya Michael, isa pa, high-five. And there you go. At guys, alam nyo folks, napaka-sweet at lambing ito ni Barak guys. Tingnan nyo guys ha, alright na Barak? Kiss daw natin si Kuya Michael sa cheek. Okay, kiss natin. Okay, sa cheek. Kiss natin. Kiss. Alright, at mukhang nabitin pa sila. At ito na guys, ito yung gusto ni Kuya Michael folks. Now Barak, kiss natin ulit si Kuya Michael pero hindi na sa cheek sa. O, saan gusto nyo folks? Ha? Saan gusto nyo? Alam, rinig mo yung Kuya Michael. Okay, Kuya Michael ha. Okay na Barak, kiss natin si Kuya Michael pero sa lips na. O, kiss. Kiss na. Sarap ba? Siyempre guys, hindi rin magpapauli yung host, no? Kuya Michael, kiss din ako sa lips. Okay, joke lang folks. Kasi sa hindi lang yan, si Barak ay isang eco warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate? Nagdala mga basura, everyone, let's go, boy! Wala nagsesegregate na yan. Sino ma'am na? Mahuli yan. Nakumu, ngayong hapon, tuturuan tayo, di ba? Paano mag-segregate ng basura? So, naman dyan, Kuya Michael, syempre ang ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable bin or nabubulong po, and also we have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulong po at mukhang pwede na si Barak, Kuya M. And Kuya Michael, tignan mo 3 lang para basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, nung unang pupunin ni Barak, a piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Unang pupunin ni Barak. Alright, it's another piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawang basura, boy. And this time, a piece of meat dahon, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. And 1 piece of trash, boy. Leave for dahon, saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the non-biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barak, folks. As you can see, guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre, kaya din natin, folks. Sana ay tularan natin si Barak, guys, ha? Alright, folks, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya. Okay, yung mga mom and sir, mga atas, mga kuyas, wave, bye-bye, Barak na pa, wave, bye-bye, wave, Barak. Okay, kita mo yan, Barak, magandang bye-bye na sila siya. Alright, na Barak, wave, bye-bye lang ni Patrick. Okay, wave, bye-bye. Bye. Wait, bye, wave, bye-bye naman. Wave, bye-bye. Hala, hala. Alright, isang bye-bye na, bye-bye. Hala. Isa lang po isang bye-bye na, one last time. Hala, last time. Hala. Folks, hindi sabihin yan, guys. He wants to save the show po. Pero again, folks, we need to highlight our other animals naman po. Okay, once again, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw.